Hi everybody, I'm Brett. Our drawing project today is inspired by the action-packed artwork of Luis Jiménez. Jiménez grew up working in his father's sign shop in El Paso, Texas. There he learned spray painting, welding, and even working with neon lights. His best-known artworks are larger-than-life fiberglass sculptures featuring animals in energetic poses, bright, sprayed-on colors, and those glowing lights. This is a photograph I took in Washington, D.C. of his sculpture, Vaquero. He also made drawings and prints from his sculptures. We're going to take a look at a lithograph, which is a type of print. It's also titled Vaquero and was inspired by the sculpture of the same name. Growing up on the border between the United States and Mexico, Jiménez liked to think about what both countries shared. One of the many shared traditions is that of the cowboy, or vaquero in Spanish. Cowboy culture is more than the big hats, the fancy boots, and the even bigger belt buckles. It is hard work. Just like Jiménez used his artwork to honor the hard-working people that he grew up with, I'm going to make a drawing of my father, who works in a factory. The hot metal and the sparks will make for a very exciting drawing, and I'll show you how. Lithographs are made in layers, printing one color at a time. You can think of them like stamps, except they're made of stone. Jiménez used black and three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. In some areas the colors blend to make new colors like oranges and purples. We will use red, yellow, and blue colored pencils to color our drawings. Luis Jiménez also used colored pencils to make drawings. Start your drawing with a pencil sketch. Then go over those lines with a black colored pencil. This way your lines will be bold and won't get lost under the color. Next, use yellow, the lightest primary color. It is easier to color over lighter colors like yellow than it is to color over darker colors like red and blue. Yellow will show where the heat and light from the furnace is. I will use red next. It, like yellow, is a warm color and will show where there is heat. I will blend red over yellow in some spots to make orange. The hottest spots will be white, next hottest will be yellow, then orange, and finally red. Blue is a cool color. It is also the darkest primary color, so I will use it last. Blue will show where there is less light and where there is less heat. I will add blue to the background and to the shadows in the scene. The contrast, or difference, between the warm and cool colors will make my scene pop and glow with energy. All finished. Now let's take a look at what I created. I added words to mine just like the artist did. What will your drawings look like? Share your creations with us on social media.